Welcome to the Ramanujam Santo channel. I'm so glad you're here, taking the first step towards mastering English. Whether you're a complete beginner or someone looking to brush up on your skills, you've made a fantastic choice by joining us today. This channel is all about making English learning fun, simple, and effective for everyone. If you've ever felt nervous about speaking English, worried about making mistakes, or struggled with tricky grammar rules, you're definitely not alone. Many learners feel exactly the same way at the start. But don't worry. Here, you'll find a supportive community and easy-to-follow lessons designed just for you. We'll tackle those fears together and turn them into confidence. Today, we're going to break down the most essential English basics in a super easy and practical way. We'll cover the building blocks you need, from simple grammar tips to useful vocabulary and everyday phrases. No complicated jargon, just clear explanations and real-life examples that you can start using right away. Want to master English quickly? Stay with me till the end and see how simple it can be. I'll share some of my best tips and tricks to help you learn faster and remember more. Plus, you'll get a chance to practice along with me, so you can build your skills step by step. Ready? Grab your notebook, find a comfortable spot, and let's begin our journey together. Remember, every expert was once a beginner. With a little practice and the right guidance, you'll be amazed at how quickly you can improve. Let's get started and make English learning an exciting adventure. Grammar is the backbone of any language. Imagine playing cricket without rules, chaos. Grammar gives structure to English. It's not about memorizing terms, but understanding how sentences work. Focus on tenses, subjects, verbs, and objects. Start with present, past, and future tenses, and build from there. Don't fear mistakes. Each one helps you learn. Every language begins with its own unique alphabet. The alphabet is like the foundation of a building. Without it, nothing else can stand. It's the very first thing you need to learn when starting a new language, and English is no exception. In English, there are 26 letters, ranging from A all the way to Z. Each letter has its own name, shape, and sound. These letters are everywhere, in books, signs, and even on your phone. Learning them is your first step to understanding English. Think of these letters as your building blocks. Just like bricks make up a house, letters come together to form words and sentences. Mastering the alphabet gives you the tools to read, write, and speak English confidently. Some of these letters are vowels: A, E, I, O, and U, while the rest are consonants. Each plays a special role in how words are formed and pronounced. Learning to recognize their shapes and sounds is essential for good pronunciation and spelling. Practice is key. Say each letter out loud, write them in your notebook, and repeat them daily. The more you practice, the more familiar they will become. Don't rush. Take it one letter at a time. Focus on getting each shape and sound right. Remember, patience and persistence always pay off in the end. Mastering the alphabet is your very first step on the journey to English mastery. Celebrate your progress. And remember, every expert was once a beginner, just like you. A letter is the smallest symbol in the alphabet, the seed of English. Each letter has its own sound and shape. For example, B says B, S says S. Practice these sounds often. Even advanced speakers revisit them. Trace, write, and say the letters aloud. Mastering letters builds a strong foundation for words and sentences. Words are groups of letters that carry meaning, like bricks for sentences. Just as a house is built brick by brick, every sentence is constructed word by word. Each word is a small but powerful unit, carrying its own meaning and helping us express thoughts, feelings, and ideas. Without words, communication would be impossible, and our ability to share knowledge would be limited. The more words you know, the richer your communication. With a larger vocabulary, you can describe your experiences more clearly, understand others better, and connect with people from different backgrounds. Words help you share stories, ask questions, and express your emotions. They are the key to building strong relationships and making new friends. Learn new words by focusing on spelling, meaning, and pronunciation. Practice saying each word out loud, write it down, and try to remember what it means. Use language apps, flashcards, and notebooks to help you review and remember new vocabulary. The more you practice, the more confident you will become in using new words. Use each word in a sentence like, I eat an apple every day. Making sentences helps you understand how words fit together and how they are used in real life. Try to create your own sentences with new words you learn. This will help you remember them better and use them naturally when you speak or write. Write down new words you find. Keep a vocabulary journal or use sticky notes to collect interesting words. Review them regularly and challenge yourself to use them in your daily conversations or writing. The more you see and use a word, the easier it becomes to remember. Start with basics, family, food, colors, and grow from there. Begin with simple, everyday words and gradually add more as you become comfortable. Learning basic vocabulary gives you a strong foundation to build on, making it easier to learn more complex words and phrases later. Every big book starts with a single word. Remember, even the longest stories and the most complicated ideas begin with just one word. By learning new words every day, you are taking the first steps toward mastering the English language and unlocking a world of knowledge and opportunity. A sentence is a group of words that gives complete meaning. Sentences express ideas, ask questions, and tell stories. For example, she runs, or dogs bark. Start simple, then add details as you grow. Practice making your own sentences daily. Describe your day or ask questions in English. Sentences are your bridge to real communication. A morpheme is the smallest unit of meaning in a word. For example, in unhappy, un means not and happy means joyful. Morphemes help you understand and build new words. Try breaking words apart to find their meanings. This skill makes you a more confident English learner. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound in a language. For example, cat has 3 phonemes, K, A, T. Practicing phonemes improves your pronunciation and listening. Listen for sounds in words and repeat them. Every big language starts with tiny sounds. Phonics teaches reading through sounds, connecting letters to their sounds. For example, C sounds like K in cat and S in city. Sound out simple words. D-O-G, F-A-N. Practice daily, say, blend and read aloud. Phonics is your shortcut to fluent reading. Language is more than words and rules. It's a system for sharing ideas. English connects you to people, cultures, and opportunities worldwide. The better your English, the more confidently you can express yourself. Use English daily. Listen, read, speak, and write. Don't fear mistakes. They're part of learning. The more you use English, the more natural it becomes. Literature is the creative side of language. Stories, poems, and plays. Through literature, you experience emotions and cultures from around the world. Start with simple stories or poems and read them aloud. Literature shows the beauty of English and inspires creativity. Try writing your own short story or poem. Enjoy exploring and expressing yourself. A poem expresses feelings in rhythmic words. Poems can be happy, sad, short or long, but always musical. Read simple poems aloud and notice the rhythm. Don't worry about every word. Focus on the feeling. Try writing your own poem about any emotion. Poetry is for everyone. Poetry is the art of writing poems, playing with words and sounds. It lets you express deep thoughts in just a few lines. Read different kinds of poems, romantic, funny, or inspirational. Try writing your own, using simple words and rhythm. Practice makes you better. Poetry is a journey. Enjoy every step. A sonnet is a poem with 14 lines and a set rhyme scheme. Shakespeare was famous for his sonnets, each one a masterpiece. Read a few sonnets and notice the rhyme and flow. Sonnets often explore love, nature, or deep thoughts. Try writing your own for a creative challenge. Even if it's not perfect, you'll learn a lot. Fiction is an imaginary story. Novels, short stories, even movies. Through fiction, you explore new worlds and ideas. Reading fiction improves vocabulary and creativity. Start with simple stories and notice how authors describe things. Try writing your own short tale. Fiction is a powerful tool for learning and growth. A novel is a long fictional story in book form. Novels take you on deep journeys into new worlds and emotions. Start with short or beginner-friendly novels. Reading novels builds vocabulary and helps you think in English. Read a few pages daily and write down new words. Every novel you finish brings you closer to English mastery. You did it! Building your English skills is a journey, not a race. Like, comment, and share if you learned something new today. Subscribe for more easy lessons and powerful tips. Keep practicing, keep smiling. Your English journey has just begun.